Namdebani. No. You have to be very careful about all these girls. You see all these girls? Ha. I wouldn't want them to lure you into something you will regret.
I know where I came from, and I will do my best not to make any mistake.
I trust you, but you see, these girls, they could be desperate, or they could be very desperate.
Well, my question is, why are they always around and about me? No matter how I try to stop them, they keep coming.
Well, you know, a ripe fruit attracts children with stones. You are a ripe fruit, and that is why they keep coming. But you have to avoid all mundane and vain things. For now, you have insufficient funds to attend your desired goal. So you have to do everything to protect your libido. Okay? When I was like you, I had the same experience. There was one Odo I met at Otonko. Hey, Odo wanted to finish me now. Agumba is Agumba. Odo Itogo, that's our full name. Odo Itogo.
Yeah. Let me teach you a lesson.
You want to teach me a lesson?
I want to fuck you up.
You're not serious.
I'm about to send you back to the village.
Play no.
Oh yeah. Okay. Eh?
Hold on, eh?
Wait.
Oh yeah, play.
Sorry, man. Your drink is here.
Okay.
Don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less. So you go see me for press. Yo. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. We must get the publicity.
All right. Thank you, man.
Okay.
Do you like him?
What did you say?
Do you like him?
What kind of talk is that? I like him now. Is it not? He's my worker, so I'm supposed to like my worker. Play.
You know you don't necessarily have to like your worker.
Oh, Google, I don't know what you want me to say. I don't know what you want to hear from me. Please, I don't like him in that way you're thinking. He's just my worker. I mean, I ought to like someone working for me.
Oguwa, please, don't even act like you don't know what I'm talking about.
Babe, play now. Play. Play now. If you don't get go market. Go market. Fast.
No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must to get that more.
Can you stop all these things? You put me in trouble and make me lose my job.
Who's your job? Is that what you're scared of, or you're just interested in your boss?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Of course you do. I see the way you look at her. But you know, she's your boss. And that makes every romance with her awkward. Me, on the other hand, I am not your boss. So why don't you accept what I'm offering? Or do you believe our lies?
Lies? Anyway, well, I am not interested. Please stop this. Stop this now.
Why are you just resisting me?
Ogugwa, stop. Listen, I will shout.
Shout now. If you shout, you lose your job.
Can you stop?
Come on, why are you acting like a baby?
Oh my God, stop this.
Come on.
Stop now.
Stop. Why are you acting up now?
Ogugwa,
Can we
stop.
not
I
act
said
it?
stop. You are, but stop. Please. Why are you looking at me like that?
Well, you're a young man with blood flowing in your veins. There's nothing wrong if you find her attractive.
Well, she's the one coming at me. I did not initiate all this.
I know. I know she likes you. I'm yet to see a lady who doesn't like you. But I heard what she said about you and Madame. Is it true? Then it is true. But that's a no-go area. 1, she's your boss. 2, she's engaged to Amanda Neze, Alexis Prescott. We've worked here for 3 weeks without setting eyes on him. So you have to do something about your feeling before you do something, oh. Maka ode araho. Yeah, making it. Araho. Ode araho. Namde araho.
Back on. Living on their so wife. I know my insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. Yeah. We must get the publicity. I must get. Yeah. We must get the publicity. I must get that. Celebrity life is too sweet, but we go rock up. No matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you go see me for press. Yo. Mama insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get that more. Joy, mama insufficient for love. Yo. We must get the publicity. I must get that. She know they settle for less. And that is why you see her for less.
This I have it to myself. Finally.
Living on your so wife. I know my insufficient for love.
Okay, guys, it's okay, it's fine. Always follow EB Sparkles. What did I say? Right. Follow EB Sparkles. Right. Okay. Okay, just when you post it, you tag me. All right. Look at you. Oh, easy, girl. Look at you. Yeah.
Oh, please, a selfie.
Oh, your camera is not on.
Of course, I'm not about to take selfie with a low life like you. Smile.
Who are you?
Oh, darling, my name is Amanda Uche, the original fiance to Mr. Prescott. are the imposter. Oh, yes. The reason you're still carrying on with your deceit and lies is because Alex is coming out from you to debunk your lies. Will only make you more popular. And that, I know my baby don't have your time. And he won't have time for stupid things and dirty things like you. By the time I'm done with you, people will not only take selfie with you, but when they see you, they will spit at you. Oh, for now, darling, enjoy your little paparazzi. Okay? Okay, darling. Bye. Bye. See you. Enjoy, okay? Do have fun, darling. Excuse me, darling. You look beautiful, by the way. You look hot. Don't forget what I told you. Bye, celeb. Celebrosi. Bye.
We must get the publicity. I must get that. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up. No matter what we go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less. So you go see me for press. Yo. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get that more. I must get that joy. No more insufficient for love. We must get it.
So you were expecting me to be smiling or laughing at your action?
I don't care. Whatever you choose to do, you do it.
I've warned you to put your emotions under control. I've warned you. Do you know the impression you'll be creating with the press if your actions has led to fight? Do you know?
I don't care. I don't care at all. All I did it to protect my relationship. That's on period.
Now listen to me. I do not want that to happen again. If it happens again, you will not like the result of my own actions. No matter how insecure you are, do not allow the public to point negative fingers at us. Be warned.
Babes, the agitation is getting serious. Everyone is asking to see my fiance. My uncle doesn't want me to rest. I don't know what to do. What do I do?
I knew it would get to this. But we can't afford to lose hope now that everyone is enjoying the fact that you're leading them on with your lies.
I don't know what to do. I mean, I don't know how my uncle got his mail. He sent him a message and set up a meeting. Can you imagine that? Uguba, what do I do? I'm confused.
Okay, listen. Tell them that your fiancé told you about the meeting. Tell them that you're going to host the both of them. Tell them that your fiancé said every further arrangement and discussion should be made with you.
Okay, what next?
Okay. We'll have to go out there, look for someone that will play and rehearse your fiancé's imposter. After that, we'll look for a way to keep the secret in the secret.
Oh, you have to help me. You just have to help me, please.
Don't worry.
Please. I got you. Are you sure?
Of course.
Let's get to it.
Of course.
Let's just get to it, okay?
Ochajala. I want to hear like Wakrola. When you pour cold water on yourself during the harmattan, you can be rest assured that spiritual pneumonia will catch up with you. Osule, Igirigiri Akwala.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be.
What is your name?
Madam, no vex. My name is Chekube Chuku. I'm from Ebonyi local government state.
What is your discipline?
I beg, madam, no vex. Now this clothes where they do me hits.
What is your discipline? Ogugwa.
I'm coming.
Oh no, this honestly, this can't work.
What?
This cannot work. He is local. He doesn't know how to speak English. He doesn't even know what his discipline. But no! How will he convince my uncle that he's Alex Prescott? How?
Don't vex. You see, I don't tire. I know Sabiam. Maybe you fit tell my brother where they do computer training. In Sabi speak English well. No vex, madam. I beg, madam, no vex.
That your brother, where is he?
He there for Idaho for Boko.
Boko. What? You know what? Get out. I said, get out from here. Oh my goodness. I'm finished. I'm finished. My uncle told me he's already on his way here.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing.
Open the gate for me.
Ina chami isi awo lupo ra da isi. Wo ka ba papa ge mi. Nwo anye. Ebere me bona munde ma. Oye ma da ga abu no wa. Owe bi ha gumpa na ga afu na gate.
The game is playing me out. The game is playing me now.
Nwo anye.
Time is against us. I mean, how do I get someone to pretend to be Alexis Prescott? How do I do that? And my Uncle Sullivan is always saying, he's a timekeeper.
I know, just relax, okay? You've got to think.
You think then?
Let's go meet Gentle Soul. Do you know he was my boyfriend in our second year? And he's good with all this pimp. He should be able to help us out.
That's right. Let's go already. Let's go. Girl.
Right now?
Yes, right now, babe. Let's go, I beg. Let's go. Make we go. Babe, let's go.
It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be defeated. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me out. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing.
Welcome, ma.
Agumba.
Madam.
Whose car is this?
Is somebody who says he's your uncle. But I don't know whether he is this kind of uncle now for just something. Uncle Onyi Believe. I don't know.
My uncle?
Yes.
Where is he? He's inside?
Yes.
He's inside. Go sit down. Go sit down.
It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do.
What do I do? I'm dead. I wonder why Gentle Soul will not be around today of all days.
It's okay. Just relax now. Relax. You know what? We didn't tell him on time. So let's just go in there and face your uncle. Listen, I will tell him that I'm your fiance's secretary and that he called to cancel due to emergency appointment. Yes, that's the only option.
Will you do this for me?
Come on, I got you. I got you. Come on.
Table turn around and the game is playing me out. The game is playing me.
What a wonderful opportunity to let the world know that you are a bastard, an unrepentant liar. Fool.
And I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do.
I like this.
This is insane, cause I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be defeated. This is insane, cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. The game is playing me.
Uncle?
Surprised? Oh yes, you look surprised.
Uncle, how did you...
Look at here, huh? Well, it didn't occur to me that you were hiding from your family.
Uncle, there's nothing like that. There's nothing like that.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So tell me how it is. Go ahead. Well, see, I have my ways. Oh yes, I do. Having waited for your call, which never came, I came to two conclusions. One, that your claim to be engaged to Alex Prescott is a lie, a hoax. Yes. Or, for whatever reason, you do not want your family to benefit from your relationship with the Prescotts. So, I decided to come here personally to confirm which of the conclusions is correct.
None.
Oh, I thought as much. Just a few minutes of talking with him, I came to the conclusion that you deserve commendation. Oh yes, you have done well. I have always known that you will bring good fortunes to our family. I knew it. Well done. You have done well. Oh yes. Well done. Yeah.
Uncle, you met Alexis Prescott?
Of course. That is what I'm talking about. I met him in person. I was wondering, it amazes me that of all the things they talk about him in the press, nobody has mentioned that beautiful part of him, his humility. It's sublime. How could a man of such stature? Oh, here he comes. Cheers, man.
Hey, babe. Welcome. How was your day? Well, I finally met your uncle. A wise and funny man. You have shown me a series of your mother's pictures. But there's one he showed me. He said they took it long ago. Well, the beauty runs in the family, I see.
Oh yes, you needed to have seen Charity when she was much younger. She was a beauty to behold, I tell you.
Just like my baby.
Exactly. Our mother was equally beautiful, just like her. Oh, may God rest her soul.
Hey babe, I know you're tired, so go in there and freshen up. I made your favorite, alright? Abuwa, take her handbag, though I'll join you later. Yes.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Just imagine that. This man owns half of this city, yet he has the humility to go into the kitchen to cook for his would-be wife. Isn't that beautiful? Cheers, man.
Go, honey. I'll meet you up, okay?
Uncle, I'm coming. Okay?
Go ahead.
Take her handbag, that's what I said.
Okay.
Take his order.
There we go, okay? I'll meet you up.
Yep, same.
All right.
Go ahead, ladies, go ahead. I'm impressed.
I can actually do anything for my woman.
I can see that.
I love.
I can see that. Come on, get a glass. And join me. You're a wonderful man. I am privileged to be with you.
Once again, I say welcome.
Thank you. It's my pleasure, Mr. Prescott. It's a privilege to meet you.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle.
Wow.
It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to.
Oh my God, he knows. He knows what? He knows that I've been lying. Oh, he knows. He knows what? He's trying to cover me up, pretending to be Alexis Prescott. He knows I have been lying.
You're lying? But you've been searching for someone to play the role of Alexis Prescott. And Namdi seems to be doing a very good job.
Babe, you don't get it. The emphatic thing here is trust. Okay, fine. He knows that I am lying. He's covering me up. He's trying to pretend. He's trying to be good at it. But after covering me up, what if he goes out there and just spill everything?
You just have to calm down. Ibube, you are just panicking unnecessarily. Huh? You have to try to convince your uncle. And to do that, you have to cooperate with Nnamdi.
Oh God, what have I gotten myself into? Ebube, Priska Nosike, what have you gotten yourself involved in? My mother warned me. I should have listened to her. What do I do now? Tell me, what do I do?
Ebube, I have always known you to be very smart. So, even if the truth reveals, I know you'll find a way out. I've always known you to be very smart. He who eats the testes of a ram owns the ram.
Wow, that's nice. Good. Such a wonderful meal. Oh, no, I don't have this kind of meal. Prepared by my wonderful dish. I enjoyed myself. Thank you. Yes. My dear, I want to give you a piece of advice. Are you listening? Look at this man. Take a look at him. Look at him. You see this man? Do everything within your powers to keep him. Yes. You know why? His type is very rare. I'm telling you. I can confirm that.
Uncle, you're flattering me.
Oh no. Oh no, this is not flattery. It is a fact. You are an epitome of humility. And you are exceptional.
Well, thank you. Thank you. And I must confess that I'm sorry for having had the time to meet with you. You know, my wife gave me your number, but I've been quite busy. You know, haven't been able to call, and good thing you are here today. All right.
Exactly. I count myself lucky to be here at this very moment and meet Alexis Prescott in person. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
But my in-law, there is something I am not happy about. Yes, I am not happy about what you told me earlier. How could you people fix a date for your wedding when you have not formally come to see our people? Eh? Things are not done like that.
I know. But I must say it is my fault. I and my family were actually planning to be with you people in the next 2 weeks. Alright, so like I said, my bad. I'm sorry.
It's alright. Since you have this plan, no problem. You're a big man, we know how it is. You know, your schedule is very tight, you have to catch up with a lot of engagements. No problem, we are waiting. 2 weeks. 2 weeks is just around the corner.
Yes.
My dear, in 2 weeks time everything will be over. Wonderful.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Let me not overstay my my welcome. I've come, I have seen, I have even conquered at the dining table, conquered here. Wow. And must keep in touch. Yes.
I forgot, as per the contract.
Yes.
You have it. So all you have to do is send in your proposal. It's sealed. Right?
Oh, hey, Daniel has come to judgment. I have the contract. Ebube, can you see this? Oh.
Yes, so...
It's been a wonderful day. I know. Give me a handshake.
Nice.
Come on, give me a handshake.
Nice.
Most definitely.
All right.
We'll give you that.
All right.
Yeah.
What contract? Contract.
The job.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. This is because I don't know what
You love him?
this is insane.
Love who? Nnamdi. Ha! Babe, come on now. Why you talk like this?
Ebube, I think I'm in love with him. He's intelligent and he has this charismatic courage that
Babe,
I admire.
clean your mouth. Which one is tiny? Are you okay? I know, are you okay, babe? Have you forgotten that we aim higher? We aim higher, we don't settle for less.
Oh, more guy, I know they appear for praise with you. Don't you get it? I love this guy. This guy is everything.
Babe, wake up. Collect your money. Why you dey sleep? Collect your money.
I love this guy. I love him. He's so sweet.
Well, I don't get it. Because it's all about the funds. Sufficient fund. He can't possibly pay your bills. Hey, wake up.
It's not all about the fund for me.
Well, it's all about the money.
For you.
Yes, for us. For us.
I know they that level with you.
When your head there, is a doing something.
More guy, I love that.
Guy is all about sufficient fund. Relax. If I'm saying you love him, wake up. Don't they throw one English and you don't they fall in love. Calm down now.
Now to be defeated. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing.
What game were you trying to play?
If I were to be Alexis Prescott, would you speak to me in that manner?
I said, what games were you up to?
The game you started.
You're speaking to me in that tone? Nnamdi, you're actually speaking to me in that tone?
Can't you see I can already see through your lies? Huh? Can't you see? Listen, I know you are not engaged to Alexis Prescott. You don't even know him. Aside what you hear about him on the media, you have never met him. I also know that this house is not yours. It belongs to one of your girls, your friend, who lives in the UK with a husband.
2 steps back. It's an order.
I may be a houseboy, but I am not as daft as not to know when things are not the way they seem.
I see. You have been eavesdropping on my conversations, right?
You wanted someone to pretend to be Alexis Prescott. Your uncle came unprecedented just to lash at you. I acted on the impulse just to save your face.
You acted on impulse. Okay, since you know the truth, right? Why didn't you spill? I mean, why didn't you sing? Why didn't you tell him the truth?
You don't know why?
Get talking.
Well, all that matters is that I was able to convince your uncle.
I can see how well you convinced him. Oh, you said you were going to award him the contract. And I've been thinking to myself, whoa, it's the confidence for me. A common house boy now awards contract. And where did you get this cheap accessories you wear? Huh? Now tell me, Mr. Smart Boy, how are you going to award him the contract? Since you're smart.
When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. We can handle it.
We? Are we in French class? How?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Don't you ever I am your boss.
I love you.
It is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is.
I didn't mean to fall in love with you, but I couldn't help it. And I know you feel the same way. Hey, baby, end this charade now. And let us start afresh. Let us run to somewhere very far that no one can see us and start afresh.
Cause I don't know what to do.
Now that is where you are mistaken. All about you is just insufficient fund. Need I remind you? I aim higher. I never settle for less. And that is why you see me on the press.
Lies. Everything here are lies. Why do you choose to trade this part? Why do you choose to live a life of deceit? Why are you lying to everyone, pretending to be who you are not? Why? That's the question.
Get out. Get out!
I will get out. But I want you to know that you are better than this. Yes.
I don't want to ever see you again. Get out.
You can do better.
Get out! I don't want to ever see your face here again. You stink of poverty.
This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do.
Agumba, please open the gate.
Namdi, wait now.
Please, Mr. Agumba, open this gate.
Namdi, what's the matter? Where are you going with their bag?
Open the gate now, please.
Namdi, we have always told ourselves things. No matter the problem, we can talk it over.
I'm done here. Yes, that's what I said. I am done here. Please open the gate.
Ma'am, if you go, who will give me a palliative indomie with small mama?
You can always have that. Please just open this gate. Bikonu.
Now wow. Now wow. So confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane.
Ebube, I don't think letting Nnamdi go is the right thing to do. I mean, he could go on social media and spill everything.
At this point, I do not care. On one hand is Nze threatening me, and on the other hand is the lady at the supermarket claiming to be Prescott's fiance. And now this?
The lady at the supermarket?
Yes. The lady that was I was requesting for a selfie. Right? I didn't tell you, but she said some horrible things to me. I mean, girl, I thought I had it under control. But obviously, I do not. Akuba, what do I do? What do I do? Because I don't know what to do. My poor mother, she will not be able to bear the reproach.
You said this is the reason you need Nnamdi as an ally and not an enemy.
Nnamdi. Well, he can go to hell and burn to ashes. I don't care.
Hey, I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. Oh, the game is playing me now.
Sir, you made it known you are going to prepare litigation against that girl who parades herself as a member of the press corps. You have not given orders yet on that note.
I'm the one who said I'm going to strategize a means to strike her. Why are you so bothered about it? Or is it part of your job specification?
Pardon my curiosity, sir. I'm only trying to leverage on the cordiality we share.
Anyway, if you must know, I have everything in plan. And I'll let you know when the need comes. So go back to your seat and prepare my daily schedule.
Okay, sir. Your meetings for the day, you have a meeting with Koinonia Consults by 10 a.m. You have another meeting with Barrister Menkiti, an associate of Nezianya Chambers. 2 p.m. after lunch, you have a meeting with all the heads of departments. That would last for 45 minutes. After that, you have a Zoom meeting with all the regional heads of West Africa.
It's okay. You can go.
Okay, sir.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just.
Please take out that nonsense out of there. Are you mad? No! Jesus!
Playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. Oh, the game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a.
What is the meaning of this dream? This is more of a nightmare than a dream. A lot of things are happening around my life now, all at the same time. God, I just pray it's just a test of my faith.
This is insane, cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. Yeah. Hey, I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. Oh, the game is playing me now.
the clear here.
Okay, you're doing a good job.
Wait. Yeah, Royce.
Huh?
Come on, move. Come on, move. Shoot your head.
Where? Okay. I'll be there soon. I'll be there now. Okay. Hey! Hey, Kurule, Madam Ebus. They would have taken me along, but they knew na Bam Motorachako.
Go and get the gate.
No, go.
Get the gate, my friend.
Are you sure they're not coming? Who is that?
Okagumba, it's me now. Please open the gates.
Namdi. Now God bring you. Hey, Kurule, Madam Ebus. Namdi.
What did it happen?
Namdi, Ninkuru. Ninkuru. Hey, Kurule, Madam Ebus.
They've taken her. I think her life is in danger. What should we do? Should we go to the police or something?
But I think that's the only option we have left. Uncle Agumba, where is the...
Yeah, I have it too.
You have it?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, let me get to the police and see what I can do.
I'll go with you. I'm coming with you, okay?
You're going with me? Alright, Uncle Agumba, I'll be back.
You just stay here. We are coming, eh?
Ninkuru. I have been Ninkuru, my papa water on a chaco. Oh, hey, Kucham, hey, Kulatakwam. Hey, Ninkuru. Oh, a boost, Madam Ebus, not me.
Hello, boss. Boss, there is something I think you would want to have a look at.
What is it?
Ebubeano CK has been kidnapped.
And how does that affect us, Johnson?
Very. And when was that?
Just this morning.
Certainly, Alexis Prescott's supposed fiance would make a good ransom.
Barry. I wouldn't want to call your name again. Yes, we might not like her, but her life is in danger. At least show some little empathy.
With all due respect, sir, she brought that upon herself. What was she thinking? Moving around without escorts? Anyone that is associated to the Prescotts is a target. Didn't she know that? Obviously, her kidnappers would think that Alexis Prescott wouldn't hesitate to pay any ransom they demand. Unfortunately, they are about to find out she is worth nothing. Oh. My heart goes out to her, but there is nothing we can do. Is there?
Barry, what if the kidnappers are not after money?
What else would they be after if not money?
What if someone just want to expose her? What if...
So, for your mind, the claim fine guy. If I want to slap, if I want to slap, like, go yeah, come, oh yeah. Start talking now. Start talking. You don't want to talk? I'll talk. Yeah, the talk now. No. For your mind now, see, on action now, start talking. You hear me so? Now, action! Which kind of face be that one now? See, it is me play back. Yeah, it is smile. If I do this slap, if I want to see you go talk. Come on, start talking now. Talk with smile. Now, action!
What if your name and your action start?
My name is...
Shit! Action!
Wait. Yeah, action!
My name is Ebube Priska Anosike. I want to let you all know that...
This is the house I supposedly bought for you. Yeah, come on, don't feel embarrassed, okay? Just go and think about it. And everything you've ever dreamt of will become yours. Okay? Come on, just take a look. Don't you like it?
How did you find me?
That's not difficult at all.